Goodness, I gotta go to the store. Look at what just came down. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Guys, this just hit us hard. My building is covered. Wow. Probably not as impressive in most states, but this is freaking California. I mean, look at this. It's crazy. Wow. That's nuts. That is crazy, crazy, crazy. Whew. That was insane. Oh. I don't know how I'm getting in the car now. Wow. That is so cool. Look at that. Look at all that ice just built up on the edge of the building. Not a whole lot, but whew. That was cool. Oh, that was so cool. Look at that. Just oh my gosh. That was awesome. Let's see some more. Want more. More. And I'm still dressed like this. Well, I guess I'm not flying anything today. Whew. Yeah. We're getting storm after storm, hailstorm after hailstorm, and lightning storm after lightning storm, thunderstorm after thunderstorm. It's coming in waves. It's just getting crazy out there. Here it comes right now. Here comes the second wave. First wave was ice all over the car. Lightning was 10 miles out. So we'll see what happens. Getting crazy out there. Maybe I'll take the drone out.